In the heart of wild dreams, where the forest whispers true, we dance with the river streams and paint the sky in blue. High above the mountain peaks, with the eagles in our sights, we soar through a nature speaks, chasing freedom's endless height. We're the adventure show for life, running wild in the twilight glow. We fight the dark within our light, as long as nature's in our soul. Nature's symphony in our veins, every heartbeat a wild embrace. The rain washes away our chains, freedom written on our high above the mountain peaks, with the eagles in our sights, we soar through where nature speaks, chasing freedom's endless heights. We're the adventure child for life, running wild in the twilight glow. We fight the dark within our light, as long as nature's in our soul. Nature's symphony in our veins, every heartbeat a wild embrace. Oh, the rain washes away our chains, freedom written on our face. Underneath the midnight skies, stars like diamonds in our eyes. Here our spirit never dies, with every dawn a new surprise.